Yeah, Scratch would have wanted that too.
Next chapter on Hilda. After their fellow Sparrow Scouts dubbed them the Freaky Friends.
I promise this will be a completely normal outing.
Hello! Waterfall!
Hilda, Frida, and David resolve to have the most ordinary river trip imaginable. We'll find out on Hilda, Saturday mornings at 9, on BTVBS Saturday Primetime Mashup.
George Fandango, just an average kid in an average town!
Then I met the coolest friends in the world!
Buddy, you're talking to a witch, a unicorn, an alien, and a ghost. We got this.
Dord Fandango, every Saturday at 1:30 p.m. on BTVB's Saturday Primetime Mashup.
Kampante ako. Basta gardenia, masustansya. Masigla, malakas ang pamilya.
Masigla kas ako! Basta gardenia! Masigla kas ako!
Ang gardenia, mas ma-vitamins, mas ma-minerals, mas masustansya. Fresh pa, mas sulit, mas sarap.
Masigla kas kami! Basta gardenia!
Lunchtime, guys!
What's for lunch?
I made egg waffles.
Mom, you cook another dish, right?
Rice Krispies.
Love, pa-bottomless nga.
Feel sagana, basta may Nesty.
I think our kids watch too much TikTok.
Stress na ba? Relax muna. Make that switch to C2, made from natural tea leaves. My antioxidants pack helps your health so sweet.
Switch to relax mode with C2.
Sa fever, bigay ni Doc Biogesic for Kids.
I feel good. Balik agad ang kulit. I feel good.
Buhos agad, inom agad!
Biogesic for Kids. Mas pinagaling, magpagaling.
Unilab yan.
Kulang ang ganda pag bango conscious. Kaya dapat, di lang maganda, aroma ganda. Try Palmolive's new long-lasting bango para
Di lang maganda. Aroma ganda.
Hi, I'm Natasha.
Wow! Everybody, mas mura dito sa Shopee. Wow! Ha! Mas mura sa Shopee. May free shipping araw-araw. Wow! Mas mura sa Shopee! Shop ka na eh!
Wala kaming commercial. Pwera na lang sa commercial nito, oo. Oo naman. Pero, meron ba kaming bagong produkto? Meron ba kaming iaalok sa inyo? Meron ba kaming kinuhang artista o sikat na personalidad para i-endorse kung anong mang inaalok namin? Siyempre, ang sagot niyan, wala. Literal na wala. Wala kami niyan, Chong.
Coming up next, Polly Pocket, with Girls on Their Side on BTVBS.
If you feel like you're becoming someone else, if you're losing track of you inside yourself, if you're feeling out of practice like the cactus on the shelf, go explore. Get out your door, live a little. Live a little. Spread your love far and wide. Eat a churro, maybe 5. Maybe while you're still alive, live a little. Do, 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 do.
The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.